Hello traders, welcome back to PipsTraders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, let us look at the price action in gold, US dollar, currency pairs from the daily time frame to 30 minutes time frame and mark the current trend of the price action and present support and resistance levels. Before that, when we look at the events plan for Monday, June 19th, we have US bank holiday. And also we don't have any high impact news in any of the major currency pairs, so we can expect low volatility for Monday. Let us proceed with our gold analysis. I'm in daily time frame now, and in daily time frame I've already drawn the trend line or the support line and the resistance line. And when we look at the current trend of the price action, the candlesticks are trading within this bullish channel pattern, and it is in a bullish trend for now, as long as it is trading above this trend line or the support line. And when we closely look at the price action at this area over here, from the resistance level of 2066 or 65, we have noticed a price action to continuously trend on the bearish side retracement, and currently it has tested the trend line or the support line from the daily time frame and has bounced back on the bullish side retracement. Again, inside this resistance zone, we can notice an indecision candle being formed, which means that the sellers are very strong at this area over here. We have to wait for the next candle to be formed in order to decide on the direction of the future momentum. Any candles closing above this resistance line, we can expect the trend reversal to start in daily time frame, and any candles below this previous low, which is going to be around 1925, we can expect the bearish side trend to continue in daily time frame. For now, we are noticing a range bound market to continue in daily time frame. It has not made new lows or it has not made new highs. When we look at the support and resistance levels using the Fibonacci tool, for now this level of 1966 is acting as a very strong resistance level, and 1936 is acting as a very strong support level for the current price action in daily time frame. And if the price action wants to continue its bullish side retracement, it has to break this current resistance level of 1966 and also this resistance zone or the supply zone in order to trend on the bullish side. And on the bearish side, we have a very strong support zone between 1936 to 1906, which the price action has to break in order to continue its bearish side trend in daily time frame. Let us look at the price action in 4 hours time frame. I'm in 4 hours time frame. Now the price action in 4 hours time frame is also under consolidation or trading between this daily time frame resistance zone and the support zone. Even if the price action gives a breakout from this daily time frame support line, it has to break this support zone in the 4 hours time frame in order to get the confirmation on the bearish side trend continuation, and on the bullish side it has to break this resistance zone in order to get the confirmation on the bullish trend reversal in 4 hours time frame. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. And in hourly time frame also we can notice a price action to be consolidating within this rectangle pattern, and we have very strong bearish resistance line from the daily time frame, which is preventing the price action from continuing on the bullish side retracement, and we have a very strong support line or trend line from the daily time frame, which is stopping the price action from continuing its bearish trend in hourly time frame also. So recently we have noticed a price action to test this resistance zone from the daily time frame, and it is forming a similar to an head and shoulder pattern. We can expect it to bounce back to retest on the previous trend line or support line from the previous low from where it started its bullish side retracement. And even if the price action breaks this resistance lines and trends on the bullish side retracement, it has to break this dark green color resistance level, which was the previous resistance zone, in order to trend further on the bullish side retracement. And on the bearish side, it has to break this dark orange color, and the candles have to close below this previous candle's low in order to continue its bearish side trend. Since the trading ranges are becoming narrow, soon we can expect a directional breakout from this consolidation in hourly time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance level. So the values within these black color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in hourly time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the support level of 1954 and resistance level of 1961. Once the price action breaks the support level of 1954, next level of support on the bearish side is going to be around 1947, 1938 and 1925. And if the price action breaks the support level of 1925, next level of support is going to be the blue color trend line or support line from the hourly time frame. And on the bullish side, if the price action breaks the current resistance level of 1961 and continues its bullish side retracement, the immediate resistance is going to be the blue color resistance line from the hourly time frame. And once the price action breaches this resistance line, next level of resistance is going to be the 1971 and 1983. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame, and when we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame, it had made a inverse head and shoulder pattern, and we have noticed the price action to retrace to the level where it started its bearish side bounce back. And currently when we look at the price action, it is trying to form a head and shoulder pattern. Wait for the price action to break the next level of the head and shoulder pattern, which is going to be around 1953 to 1949, which will give the confirmation on the continuation of bearish side retracement, and we can expect it to retrace to the level where it started its bullish side bounce back. And for now the price action is trading between the support level of 1955 and resistance level of 1967. If the price action breaks the current support level of 1955, next level of support is going to be around 1949, 1943, 1938, 1930 and 1920 on the bearish side. And on the bullish side, if the price action breaks this resistance line from the hourly time frame and the daily time frame resistance line, we can expect the price action to continue its bullish side retracement, and next level of resistance is going to be around 1970. And if the price action breaks this resistance level of 1970, we can expect the further continuation of the bullish side retracement. Please refer the higher time frame resistance levels for the bullish side target. So to summarize, from the higher time frame to lower time frame, we are noticing the price action to be consolidating within this resistance zone and the support zone, forming different patterns. So if you want to make a directional trade, you have to wait for the price action to come out from this consolidation, and in the lower time frame you can find patterns based on which you can enter into the directional scalping trades. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, please support me by liking this video and sharing with your friends.